theatres in Sajid, the orchestras, my dear friends, the ham friends on the stage, as well as on the stage, and their handlers. Today, when I came here, when I was planning to come here itself, I was requesting one thing. I will not be preacher. In English, it is called a sore in the ass. But then it was very constraint is there because of the curvature. Maximum you can go to around maximum 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers, or at the maximum if the tower is high.
Dignitaries on dais, and Sajid, Dr. Devamar, and the QR members, and my dear friends, and fellow hams, SWs, YS and XWs. It is my pleasure to be here along with family. This time I bring my brother also here, so there are 4 members including me. I have one friend from Calicut with Gaurav with and sons from Calicut meeting for the first time here. And also very old hams. I am still remembering many hams, and also meet RJR was also here, one of the very old hams. So thanks again for making an opportunity to meet all the hams here in Kollam every year. I know the difficulty how to
Really good, huh? I will take each of them.
Because the cover, we are slowly moving towards SDRs. And this time it is SDR on the cover. Something which is remarkable. Here, there is no intermittent vacancy, nothing. All those tuning business is all gone. We are going on to it.
Alpha Oscar uniform, Anish. Bravo Oscar uniform, Sira.
എൻ്റെ ചേർന്ന് ഉണ്ടോ? ആ ശരി ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്. ഓ ഒന്നിങ്ങോട്ട് മെല്ലെ ഓക്കെ. ഒന്നിങ്ങോട്ട്. ആ ചന്ദ്രജയ് ഒന്നിങ്ങോട്ട്. ആ മെല്ലെ ഒന്നിങ്ങോട്ട്. ഒന്നിവിടെ ഒന്നിങ്ങോട്ട്. ഒന്ന് കയ്യിൽ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്കിയാൽ കയ്യിലോ കൊടുക്കുന്ന സ്പീഡായി അതുകൊണ്ട്
വയസ്സനാക്കി ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്കൂ ഇവിടേക്ക് നോക്കൂ എല്ലാവരും.
Old man Babu has come. The Trivandrum hams are all classic. We also put
ഇങ്ങോട്ട്
അവിടെ നിന്നാൽ മതി, ഫോട്ടോ കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയാ. നീ മെല്ലെ കൊടുത്തോ.
എല്ലാ ബെഡ് ബ്രേക്ക് ഒരു ദിവസം വയസ്സ് കൂടും, അതുകൊണ്ട് പറ്റാതെ.
we will wait, no problem.
ചേർന്നാണ് കിട്ടും. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കും. ഒന്നുകൂടി.
Good morning to all of you. Namaskaram.
നമസ്കാരം.
I'm the Bangalore. So, Bangalore is Manjuna, A3 CJ. So, really, I'll appreciate whatever they're doing. Fantastic job continuously. The PR team, the committee members, and also who are taking so much initiative for this conducting ham fair. So myself also he came with along with the V2 Delta Echo Victor. We not forget. So he introduced me. I think this PR meet continuously we also participating. Really we observe whatever they're doing. So that is the most important to gathering for the hands. Also the motivation for the newcomers, for the youngsters that are coming in for the hand field. They're encouraging. That is the most important. The QRL team. It so happened that I am the president and I am chairing sessions like this. All the activities have been carried out by the entire team with secretary as Rajesh, and we have 3 vice presidents, 3 joint secretaries, treasurer, magazine editor, and there are 4 executive members. So I credit goes to all of them and the entire QRL members.
മാർപ്പാപ്പ
Anybody youngest ham is here? Anybody youngest? Youngest ham? Vayal or wife? Youngest?
വയ്യൽ
Okay.
ഒന്നുകൂടെ ഓക്കെ. ഓക്കെ.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് തിരിഞ്ഞോളൂ.
Encouraging from the club, so motivation for senior and also the. Thank you very much.
മൊബൈൽ വല്ലാതെ മുമ്പിൽ കിട്ടില്ല. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഒന്ന് ഫ്ലാഷിൽ എടുക്കട്ടെ. ഒന്ന് പോയി ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്.
കഴിഞ്ഞു മോനെ മോബിക്കോ ആർജിയാർ അവിടെ വന്നു.
Requesting Dr. Jaykumar to
ഇവിടെ
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്.
please give us a hand.